Nice squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day today. Today is Saturday, okay? And I wanted to come through with a different video just to talk to you guys about what recently happened to me yesterday. And I had so many of y'all telling me y'all wanted me to try my best to explain how in the world you get exclusive access on certain sneakers. So guys, if you did not watch my last video, if you don't follow me on Instagram or Twitter, both of those are linked down below. And I actually hit for a pair of Air Jordan 5 off-white, the sale colorway, and I got exclusive access. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is break down what I think, in my honest opinion, how you get exclusive access, how Nike chooses who they want to give exclusive access to, and hopefully this video can help you guys out get exclusive access a little bit later. But I mean, if I was you, I would watch the entire video because it's a lot of facts and a lot of opinions that's been going around, and hopefully I can just go over everything and pretty much tell y'all what's going on. Very quickly before we start this video, man, I wanted to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of the video and the people I'm doing the giveaway with for the Air Jordan 12 Dark Concord Rejuvenator. Now, in my hand right now, I have the Rejuvenator Water Stain Repellent Spray, okay? This is probably one of my favorite products out of the entire Rejuvenator lineup. How you use this is you shake it up, you spray it on your sneakers, you let it sit for about 6 to 7 hours, and after that, the sneaker is pretty much invincible. Now, I told you guys I am giving away a pair of Air Jordan 12 Dark Concords, and the only way you can enter is if you subscribe to my channel, head to Rejuvenator, use my link that's down below, and buy something from Rejuvenator. I believe this one is only about 18 bucks, and it'll last you a long time. I've had this for like a long time, and I use it just about every day on all of my sneakers just to make sure that they're 100% protected. So if you do want to enter the giveaway, man, I do think that this is a great product to buy to be entered in the giveaway. Make sure also once you enter that giveaway, screenshot me proof of the purchase and let me know, and send it to me on Instagram or Twitter so I can enter you in the giveaway as well. The second giveaway I'm doing with my boy A Sneaker Life, make sure y'all check that out. The Air Jordan 1 Mocha is probably the most hyped sneaker of the month, and it might be the most hyped general release Jordan 1 of the year. If you want to get a chance to be in that giveaway, it's linked down below in the description as well. Head over to that link, you can follow a list of instructions for what to do, and you can get multiple entries over there as well too. So good luck to everybody who's entering for those raffles. Now let's get to the top, okay? This is what we came here for. This is what we here for. In my Marshawn Lynch voice, you know why I'm here. Y'all want to figure out how to get exclusive access on your sneakers, and I'm gonna tell y'all the God honest truth. I totally think exclusive access is given in various ways. So I watch other people's videos and I don't think they're lying. I think they're telling the truth. But two things can be true, okay? They do random, out of nowhere exclusive access to certain accounts. I really do believe that's true. So for my people who've got exclusive access before and it was just random, I truly do think that happens. But I also think you can get chose if you interact with your app, okay? Because the purpose of Snkrs app, okay? They want you to be on that app. They want you to function on that app. That's why they add in so many more things to have engaging content. You can vote on colorways of sneakers. You can watch documentaries on shoes. You can even check out other people in the sneaker community's collection. It's so much other stuff that they bring to the app to try to make it engaging. And I believe they are rewarding certain people who are engaged. Okay, for example, let me give you a great example of what I mean, because I don't hear nobody talking about this. Do y'all remember when certain colorways came out? I believe it was like a Jordan off-white, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe not a Jordan off-white, but it was a specific colorway on Nike sneakers. And what they did was they allowed us to pick what colorway we liked the most. I forget what shoe it was, but I know it was very popular, but they let us pick what colorway we liked the most. You know what? It was the Sean Witherspoon, bro. Do y'all remember when Sean Witherspoon was on Nike sneakers and we got to pick what sneaker we liked the most that they wanted to collab with? And if you pick the Sean Witherspoon sneaker, you got exclusive access to buy that shoe later. I know y'all know what I mean. If you remember that, then comment down below. People were able to get Nike sneakers exclusive access for the Sean Witherspoon because they chose that shoe when it was time to choose which sneaker was the best for Nike to collaborate with. And that is a direct example of you being actually functioning with the app, using the app, actually using the pose to get exclusive access on that specific shoe. Now, that does not mean that happens all the time, because in my honest opinion, bro, my situation was a little bit different. The Jordan 5 came out of nowhere. I looked down, I seen I had exclusive access. I believe that was a case where it was just completely random. So there are times where you can be as active as you want to be, but it still won't help you win. But what I'm telling you is, I do believe the more active you are, the better a chance, okay? It doesn't mean it's guaranteed, but like, what do you have to lose? Another example I wanted to bring up that happened recently was Nike restocked on a lot of dunks, okay? All of the college dunks. They had the Syracuse dunk, they had the Kentucky blue dunk, they had the University red dunk, and I believe they had the Brazil dunks as well. It was the champ sport, it was the champion sport, or the sport champion, the orange and blue colorway. They re-released all of those sneakers with exclusive access only if you watch the documentary of the dunk on Nike Snkrs app. So if you go on your Nike Snkrs app right now, you'll see that Snkrs uploaded a video and it's telling you about the historic upcoming of the Nike Dunk. And if you would have watched the episode, it talked about how Nike Dunk decided to go the college route because college sports was at an all-time high. They loved how people in the crowd was like all engaged, and they loved like that college atmosphere. So Nike decided to come out with a high top sneaker for each school to be able to represent. So that is why if you watch that show or if you watch that Nike Snkrs video, you were probably one of the ones that got exclusive access when they restocked on all of the dunks. That's not a coincidence, bro. If you did not watch that, then you did not get exclusive access. So I don't believe it's always random. I'm giving y'all facts, bro. I'm giving y'all facts. These are good facts, man. Hey, look, make sure y'all smash the like button, bro, because like I said, I'm making a lot of shits here, bro. I had to do this homework on my own, but trust me, bro, I know these are facts. If you watch that dunk video, you got exclusive access, or maybe not everybody, but the only people who got it is a percentage of the people who watched that video. So certain releases depend on how active you actually are. So if you are one of them people that's on your app and you see certain things like they come up and they're like, hey, look, you know, which colorway do you like the most? Or these are new upcoming colorways that we want to choose from 2021 release. Vote, bro. Put in your vote, cash in what you think. It don't even matter what shoe you choose. Well, sometimes whoever picks the winning shoe get that shoe. But I believe just from you being active can sometimes, and I'm not telling y'all, I don't want people in the comments like, oh, that's not true because I'm always active. Listen, bro, it doesn't always mean you're going to be selected. Even if you did watch the dunk documentary, you still chosen randomly from a percentage. But what I'm telling you is that percentage comes from people who watched the video. So you still are a targeted audience because you're in the percentage that watched the video. I'm telling y'all, I know it's true, bro. So with that being said, do not be upset, man, because this is my first time ever getting exclusive access. I've had sneakers damn near since, the Snkrs app has been in service, and my luck on sneakers isn't the best, even though a lot of y'all think they are, man. I pretty much go for everything. Literally everything on sneakers I probably go for it, and usually I come up empty-handed. But I started to be a lot more interactive with the app. Even though this Air Jordan 5 Off-White had nothing to do with who was being active and who wasn't, I'm just going to start being as active as I possibly can for the small limited chances you can get exclusive access on certain shoes. Another thing I wanted to talk about, when I got this Air Jordan 5 Off-White, it did give me the got 'em animation as soon as I pressed buy now. But that does not always happen. I want to make sure that y'all know, bro, sometimes you have exclusive access, and if you look, it says like while limited supplies last. What that means is they gave that access to a bunch of people. So you have to hurry up and grab that shoe. Just because you got exclusive access does not mean that it's 100% guaranteed your pair, because sometimes they're giving out more passes than they have shoes. They might give out 10,000 shoes, give access to 30,000 people. So you still gotta be pretty fast. Don't drag your feet just because you was one of those lucky people who got exclusive access. And another thing I wanna tell you guys is, hey, look, just make sure you tune in to certain videos, because a lot of people, especially in the sneaker community, we be having hunches on when exclusive access will be given. Just to know, like a lot of people did know that they was gonna be given exclusive access for the Air Jordan 5 Off-Whites around 12 o'clock. I knew, but it wasn't like I was anticipating it to be me. I mean, to be honest, I've never gotten it before. So I know, bro, I know some people who get exclusive access 6 times a year. I have no idea. I don't know. They just got a lucky account, man. Because I'm telling you, a lot of times it's just completely random, but it just is what it is. It's almost like how sneakers pick the winner when we all wait in the line. It's just random. Sometimes it's just completely random. I remember when I got the Air Jordan 4 Travis Scott's from Snkrs app. It was crazy that day, and I went in for a 12. My friend standing next to me was going in for 11. Shout out my boy, he got kicks, because this was him. He got kicks, was going for 11. I was going for a 12. We both entered at the same time. About 20 minutes go by, and they denied me my 12 and said didn't get him. He's still in line for his size 11, and he never got out of line from when we first actually tried to get both of our separate shoes. When I went back to the main menu, I seen on the list that they still had an 11 in stock. I went back in for 11 and I got him, and he didn't, and he never left the line. That is how I know for a fact it has nothing to do with who got it first, or sometimes they will finesse it to like first come, first serve, and sometimes it's just completely random. They do these things a lot differently. Even draws, I've won draws where I came in and put my draw in at like 1 minute left and I still won, and it's a 10-minute countdown. So it's a lot, man. It's a lot. I really do hope this video helped, man. What I really want to tell you guys is just to be a little bit more active on your Nike sneakers account, just for a smaller percentage of actually getting a chance to win shoes. Also understand, bro, just because you are more active, it's not a guarantee. Okay, I just want to get that out there now. It's not a guarantee, but if it helps you in the slightest, why not do it? Okay, so hopefully this video helped. If it did help, leave a comment down below. Also like this video, man, so we can share it and try to get it up. Remember, guys, the goal is 100K by the end of the year. New merch dropping at 70K. I cannot wait to get that out. Before I leave, do not forget to be in the raffle for the Air Jordan 12 Dark Concord and the Air Jordan 1 Mochas. Both of those links will be linked down below. Good luck to everybody who wants to be entered. Until next time, man, it's your boy Snkrs Jones, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.